Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 3.1 question number 7. Find x plus y plus z plus w. Let us take this value as a. This angle is a, right? And we know that the sum of the angles, interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. We will solve in this way. We will find the value of a first. We will solve this way. We know that we know that the sum of the angles, sum of the interior angles, sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Then we can write 60 plus 180 plus 120 plus a is equal to 360 degree. Then we can write 60 degree plus 80 degree plus 120 degree plus a is equal to 360 degree. If we add all this one, that is 60 degree plus 80 degree plus 120 degree, that is 0, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 6, 16, carry 1, it is 6, 1 plus 1 is 2, 260, therefore 260 degree plus a is equal to 360 degree, or the value of a is equal to 360 degree minus 260 degree. Therefore the value of a is equal to 100 degree. We find the value of a as 100 degree. Here the value of a we find here is 180 degree. 100 degree. Here we found that the value of a is equal to 100 degree. Value of a is equal to 100 degree. 100 degree. Now this one you see, this is a linear pair, that is a plus w is equal to 180 degree, right? Or 100 plus w is equal to 180 degree because it is a linear pair, right? The pair getting w, we are getting here, that is w plus on the figure w plus 100 degree is equal to 180 degree because this is a linear pair, or you find here as w is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree, and therefore w is equal to 80 degree. If we get w, the value of w is equal to 80 degree, therefore this value is 80 degree, right? We'll find this value. It is also linear pair, that is x plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree because this is also a linear pair. This is also a linear pair. Therefore we are getting x is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. Therefore the value of x is equal to 60 degree. Therefore the value of x is equal to 60 degree. We find this one. This is also a linear pair. That means we are getting y. Here we are finding y plus 80 degree is equal to 180 degree. This is also linear pair. This is also linear pair. Also linear pair. Therefore, we are getting the value of y as y is equal to 180 minus 80. 180 degree minus 80 degree. Therefore, the value of y is equal to 100 degree. Is equal to 100 degree. Right? That this is 100 degree. And the value of x is equal to 60 degree. Equal to 60 degree. To find the value of z, that is z plus 60 is also 180 degree. That is also linear pair. And finding this value, that is z plus 60 plus z, 60 degree. That is 60 degree plus z is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree. Therefore, the value of z is equal to 180 minus 60. 180 degree minus 60 degree. That is equal to 120 degree. Therefore, the value of z is equal to 120 degree. 120 degree. You see, the value of z is equal to 120 degree. Value of y 100 degree. Value of x 60 degree. Value of w 80 degree. Right? I will find from this the value of x plus y plus z. The value of x plus y plus z plus w. Therefore, we'll find the value of now we'll find the value of x plus y plus x plus y plus z plus w. Therefore, the value will be the value of x. The value of x here you see is 60 degree. The value of x is equal to 60 degree plus the value of y is 100 degree. The value of y is 100 degree plus the value of z is equal to 120 degree. The value of z is equal to 120 degree plus the value of w. The value of w is equal to 80 degree. If we add all these numbers, we are getting, here you see, 120 plus 100 plus 80 plus 60. We are getting 0. 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 6 16, carry 1, it is 6, 1 2 3, 360 degree. That is, we are getting value of x plus y plus z plus w is equal to 360 degree. 360 degree. And that is the answer. Right? We find the value of x plus y plus z plus w is equal to 360 degree. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.